At Eastok, we're all about elevating your lifestyle. Literally. This home is not just a place to live. It is a lifestyle.
In the place to be. It's about that time.
Yeah, what you know about going out? Head west, red legs, TVs, all up in the headrest. Try and live it up, rock jewel, bigger truck, piece all glittered up, stick a kid, nigga, what?
All right, I already know people are gonna ask, how tall are these damn ceilings?
I'm a big man, get this man room out of here.
17 feet. 17 feet.
Lighting up drugs, always fighting in the club. I'm the reason they made the dress code. They figure I went wild when I'm in my fresh clothes. Dresses, I suppose, from my neck to my toes. Neck full of gold, baguettes in my rolls. Rec shows, collect those extra O's. By the heat, get
Check out this unique feature about this place. So you can build an ADU here, a theater room, or in-law quarters, game room, whatever you like. There's plenty of space, over 800 square feet here.
You make me feel so good. You know you make me feel so good. You know you make me feel so good.
That's what we do.
For exclusive private tour, message us today.